Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Logic Pro X version and that you have a current project backup. This saves time if Undo doesn't recover what you want. Once done, enable auto-save and create a project alternative so you have a restore point. Next, locate the Edit menu and the Undo history and note the keyboard shortcut. This gives you fast access. You'll now perform the first undo steps confidently because you've reduced risk and prepared recovery options. You proceed by using Edit Undo repeatedly to step back through actions. If you overshoot, use Shift-Command-Z to redo. Once you need a specific point, open the history window and jump directly to that action so you avoid trial and error. As you move, make sure to inspect track and region parameters, plugin states, and automated lanes. Those often don't revert the way you expect. This methodical approach prevents missed settings and keeps your session consistent while you correct mistakes. You finish by saving a snapshot. Create a new project alternative or export the project folder so the corrected state is secure. If plugin settings look wrong after undo, disable the plugin, reopen the project, then re-enable it. That often forces proper parameter recall. If undo won't restore the needed state, use Time Machine or your manual backup to recover files. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio glitches persist, bounce tracks in place, then re-import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.